To fix a frozen Venmo account, start by understanding why your account may have been frozen. Venmo typically freezes accounts due to suspicious activity, incomplete verification, or non-compliance with their user agreement. First, ensure you have completed the verification process, which includes providing your name, email address, phone number, and social security number. If you have not verified your account, log into the Venmo app, go to Settings, and follow the prompts to complete the verification process. If your account is frozen due to suspicious activity, you will need to confirm your identity and provide additional information. This may include providing a government-issued ID, proof of address, or explaining recent transactions. To begin the process of unfreezing your account, open the Venmo app and navigate to the frozen account notification. Follow the prompts to submit a request to Venmo support. You can also contact Venmo support directly through their website or by calling their customer service number. When submitting a request, be prepared to provide detailed information about your account, including your account history and recent transactions. Be honest and transparent, as this will help to expedite the process of unfreezing your account. Once you have submitted your request, wait for a response from Venmo support. This may take several days. So be patient and do not attempt to create a new account or use someone else's account. To prevent your account from being frozen in the future, make sure to use your account for legitimate purposes. Keep your account information up to date, and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps and providing the necessary information, you should be able to fix your frozen Venmo account and regain access to your funds. Remember to always use your account responsibly and in compliance with Venmo's user agreement to avoid any future issues.